Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Gold Coast. Last night we came back for a quick visit as it's getting really cold again in Melbourne. So even though it's spring, it's freezing still. And as you can see, there's other people here enjoying the warm sunshine of the Gold Coast, right? And we're not alone. Hi guys. Woo! Back on the Gold Coast. Goldie, they call it, Goldie. And we're only like 2 blocks from the ocean. We're gonna be spending all our day today. Actually, the whole week out there. And also in this beautiful pool, which is heated. Yeah, it's still cool at night. Oh my gosh, Kim, we're back on the Gold Coast again. Wow. So there's the weather around Australia. Oops. Nice and warm. It's warming up, guys. So we have a beautiful apartment. Again. Nice. King size bed. Beautiful. We slept like babies. Nice. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is the Gold Coast, right here. Hanging on the wall. That's actually the beach called Surfers Paradise, which is where we are. And I think we're like somewhere back there. Yeah, a couple of blocks back. Nice. Beautiful. We just have a kitchenette this time rather than a full-size kitchen, but that's adequate for a quick 1 week stay, right? Very nice. So that's a quick video on our latest stay on the Gold Coast, where we're gonna enjoy time at the beach and also at the pool. So guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please put a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Much appreciate that. Just woke up, having our morning coffee. Bye.